Hello mga ka-trendy! Welcome back to CK Trend. Latest update naman tayo sa Christmas vacation ni na Donnie at Belle. Ni-reveal ni Donnie Pangilinan na sa bahay lang sila mag-celebrate ng Christmas vacation. At ayon nga dito sa post, coming from a close-knit, loving family, Donnie shared that Christmas this year will be a simple and intimate affair with his parents and his siblings. The actor revealed that he planned to stay at home and spend the holidays together, keeping the celebration low-key and centered on family time. At kung si Donnie ay dito lang sa Pinas mag-holidays, ay si Belle Mariano kasalukuyang nasa US na nga kasama ang kanyang buong pamilya. The ever low-key at Ninja Mariano family ay nasa ibang bansa na nga. Makikita dito na talaga namang ini-enjoy na family ni Belle ang kanyang bakasyon sa Los Angeles, California. At kitang-kita dito na talaga namang sobrang happy ni Belle sa well-deserved vacation ng kanyang buong family. At sobrang cute ngang tingnan dito ni na Santino at Belle. Talaga namang napaka-sweet ni Santino sa kanyang ate na may piggyback ride pa. The Ever Ninja, nasa ibang bansa na nga. Ahaha, enjoy the break, Belle and Mariano family. They were at Universal Studios Hollywood. So happy they got to go to the wizarding world of Harry Potter and Super Nintendo world. Literal na dream combo kasi they are special team lands. Enjoy, Belle and fam, sobrang deserve ang pahinga. Napaka-sweet ng magkapatid, kayanin mo tino dahil ang adorable ate mo bibilin lahat gusto mo. Enjoy your well-deserved break from all the work you've been through this year, Belle. 2025 has been a ride.
Then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger, no one.